Hi everyone, myself Deepak Trivedi. I am a SAP technical consultant with more than 11 years of experience. Today I would like to introduce about the SAP guidelines and the methodology that is used to implement the SAP for the customer business processes. These implementation methodology called the SAP Active, and these can be adapted to the large project size and the complexity. Today, when the SAP is implemented to the larger enterprises without the SAP Active or without these official guidelines, then project has the higher project risk, cost, and the timeline. To overcome these situation, SAP has released these guidelines, the pre-configured guidelines, and the documentation and the configuration that can be adapted by the business processes, and these can be directly jumped to the build phase, which drastically increase the time to value and also reduce the cost of implementation, and businesses can focus on innovate instead of focusing on the documentation and configuration part. So these SAP Active has these guidelines, and these guidelines further divided into two concepts. One is the documentation and another one is the configuration. The documentation guideline can be found in the SAP Signavo process. In the SAP Signavo process, all the business processes are documented. These can be copied, added via their template and concepts. And the configuration guideline can be found in the solution builder, and these can be activated through the SMB/BPI, best business implementation, and these can be implemented with the help of SAP basis consultant and the functional consultant. And also for the when we going to implement the public cloud SAP solution, the SAP has provided the self-service configuration UI to activate these SAP builder solutions, which is called the SSC UI as well. So SAP Active has divided their phases in the 6 part. One is discovered, another one is prepare, explore, realize, deploy, and run. In the discover phases, business team has to understand or learn about the rise with S4 HANA and the on-premise, and also adapt the time to value solution for their business processes. In the prepare phase, SAP project team has to prepare the team roles and responsibilities and started the fit to standard sessions to the businesses. And then we have the realize phase. We actually done the development and sprint planning.